There's some going right here. They're splitting up. There's some going right and some going left. Go right, further right, further right. Go further right to that way. Keep going, keep going. We spooked him, but you're right in front of him. See if he eats that. Yeah. Gosh. There's redfish everywhere. They're smart. They get nervous. It's like, there you go. Hi, hi. Get your rod up. Get that. Good. Yeah, he's in that school with him. Oh. Get in there.
Get him, Maya.
If he's coming through you, bring that line faster.
Oh, he's big. Oh, he's really big.
Oh, such a nice red, dude. Look at the school's going away from us. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Captain of the game. God, we were like on borrowed time, bro.
We worked for that
Past
one.
our expiration date and got one.
You worked for that one.
Yeah, that's sick, dude. Well, he realized he was hooked now, buddy.
Yeah. I was gonna
Don't
say,
pull back
really
too far.
fighting.
Keep your rod up a little more. Now point it toward him like that. But 10 o'clock, yeah. They're happy right now, so they're eating even lures.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Dang, my wrist like.